So we're in the app setting up a new account. You're going to need your home address, and the key is when you get to the phone number field, you will need to add the country code. So for the US, we'll need to start with +1 and then put in your phone number. And you'll have to choose a password. You'll need to accept the privacy statement. And then a confirmation email is going to be sent. You'll need to go to that confirmation email to continue with the commissioning. So once you open your email, you'll have to click the link that will activate your account. You'll come back to your ViCare app and log in with your email address and password that you just created. Then it'll bring you to this page. In 3 steps, we'll be able to activate your ViCare heating system. It's going to ask you a few questions. This heating system is for my home, so I'm going to say yes, and it'll show your address. Continue to move forward. It's now going to ask to scan the QR code that is located in 2 different locations. It's on the front of the Vito Connect. It's also on the instruction guide that was included in the box. You'll click Scan QR code. It's going to ask for the app to access your camera. Say OK. Once you've scanned your QR code, it's going to walk you through some additional steps to get your boiler registered, and it's also going to walk you through connecting it to your home Wi-Fi network. Once you have your ViCare app account established, you're going to go back and log in, and this is what's going to come up when you log into your account. The first thing you'll need to do is change from Celsius, which is what's currently being shown, to Fahrenheit. We're going to go to these 3 lines. Coming down, it's going to give us the temperature unit, so we're just going to click on that, and then we're going to click on Fahrenheit. So once we've selected Fahrenheit, we can come back here to the home screen, and you'll see zone 1 is 68 degrees. Domestic hot water is set for 120 degrees. And then if you have your outdoor sensor located outside, it will pull the outdoor temperature. What's great about this app is if you should have a fault, it's going to notify you by email or text. And this is going to be all of our faults. If we come back over here to our 3 lines, we're going to go to the Diagnostic Information. This is going to show what the boiler current temperature is, boiler status. It's going to show the number of hours it has run, the number of starts, and then if it's running, it's going to show you what percentage it's running. It's also going to be able to show you your flow temperature and then show which of your pumps are currently on or off. Under System Settings, you can select your heating curve and make changes remotely. Back on the home screen, you can click on the domestic hot water. You can adjust the temperature. And down at the bottom, there is an option to put a time schedule in place if you want different temperatures at different times on different days. Back at the home screen, you can get additional details. When you click on that, it's going to show historical data for the last 7 days. It's got a line graph at the bottom showing minimum temperatures per day, and then a line graph at the top showing maximum temperatures per day. So that's an overview of our Vito Connect and ViCare app. Thanks for watching, and tune in to additional videos.